Autods Print on Demand tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. Autods is a platform that offers numerous features. Whether you like to do print on demand or drop shipping, this can be the platform for you. And you can get started with their free trial period, and you can see they offer a 14-day trial period for $1. So all you'll need to do is first open a Shopify account. So you're going to go onto shopify.com, or I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. After you have created your Shopify account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to tap on Add Apps. After selecting Add Apps, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Once on the Shopify App Store, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Autods. And you're going to select Autods. After doing that, all you'll need to do now is install the app. And you can see that it is highly rated as it has a 4.9 star ratings. So you're going to install the Autods app. After you have installed the app, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Print on Demand. After selecting Print on Demand, you can select whichever product you would like to add your design on. You can also select from the different categories right here. You could tap on accessories and you can also add it onto accessories. You can also select footwear and you could add your design on footwear or decorations or home and living. As you can see, there are numerous options that you can choose from. Now let's say for example I were to select printed apparel. After selecting printed apparel, let's say I would like to add my design onto a hoodie. All I would need to do is select the hoodie that I would like to add my design on. Keep in mind, if you have not created your design as yet, one of the best platforms to create a design on for completely free is canva.com. So you could go onto canva.com, create an account using your email address, then you would tap on the search bar and from there you could type in hoodie or you could type in t-shirt and you will see numerous logos that you can choose from. So you can see different templates right here. We could tap on see all and we could select whichever one of these templates suits us. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that you see with the $ that says paid or pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. Now let's say we would like to use this one. We could select it, then tap on customize this template. After doing that, you can add your own personal touches to the template. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then download, then you're going to download your design. After you have downloaded your design, you're going to go back into Autods and I'm just going to be selecting this hoodie right there. So I'll select the product. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on edit product. Then this pop-up window is going to appear. Then you'll tap on add image and you're going to select our design. So we'll go right here and we're going to select our design, tap on open. After you have done that, you can see it is being added. Once it has been added, as you can see there, you could adjust it. You can pull down on it right there. And once it is to your liking, you can tap on save in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save, just give it a few seconds. Once it has been saved, you will see the preview of how it looks right there. And we could scroll down and you can continue editing. So you can see right here, click to track your progress. And you can see it is now in draft. So we'll tap on click to view. After selecting click to view, you will be redirected to this page. So you can see our product right there. All we'll need to do now, you can tap on import to add the product to your store. Once the product has been added to your store, if you were to go back into Shopify, you will see the product. So just give it a few seconds and it will be added. And in the future, when someone goes onto your store and makes a purchase, you can come back into Autods dashboard and you can select orders from the left-hand menu option. And this is where you'll be able to view your orders. And overall, you could select dashboard. And from here, not only will you be able to view your orders, you'll be able to see the profit that you have made and the total revenue. So let's say we were to go back into our Shopify store. Go over to the left hand menu option and select products. After doing that, you can see right here that the hoodie that I created has been added, and you can see how it looks. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.